Hello students, let's do some more short questions from the chapter integration from the last year's question papers. Integration of 3x square plus 2x plus k dx. Limit is given 0 to 1 is equals to 0. We have to find the value of k. Now check what is the integration of. We will write as 3 outside. Integration of x square dx plus 2 into integration of x plus k is constant dx. Limit is given 0 to 1 and this is equals to 0. 3 into integration of x square x की power 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus 2 into x की power 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus k into x. And the limit is given 0 to 1 and this is equals to 0. 2 plus 1 3, 3 and 3 get cancelled. What is left? X cube plus 1 plus 1 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled. What is left? X square plus kx. Limit 0 to 1. Now putting 1 instead of x, 1 की power 3 plus 1 square plus k into 1 minus putting x 0. 0 cube minus 0 square minus k into 0 and this all equals to 0. 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus k, all these are 0 equals to 0. What is the value of k? K equals to minus 2 and this is our answer. Find integration of a की power x into e की power x dx. How will we solve it? By using the methods of by parts. Now we will take this term as first and this is second. Now let this be I equals to integration of this. First number will be written as it is into integration of second minus whole integration of derivative of first into integration of second dx. Here also we have dx. What is integration of e की power x? E की power x minus what is derivative of a की power x? A की power x log a into integration of e की power x is e की power x dx. I equals to a की power x e की power x minus log a is a constant, taking it outside, a की power x into e की power x dx. Earlier we have taken a की power x into e की power x dx as I equals to a की power x e की power x minus log a, and in place of integration of this what will be right? I. Now taking this on the left hand side, I plus log a into I equals to a की power x e की power x. We have to find I. Integration of this whole term, taking I common, what is left? 1 plus log a equals to a की power x e की power x. And what will be the value of I? A की power x e की power x upon 1 plus log a plus c. This is our answer. Find integration of sec की power nx into 10x dx. Now बच्चे, if we have a term a की power 4, we can write it as a की power 3 into a की power 1. Base are same, powers can be added, 3 plus 1 4. Now in the same way, sec की power nx can be written as sec की power n minus 1 into x into sec x. Power is 1, n minus 1 plus 1, power will remain n into 10x dx. We have split power into n minus 1 plus 1. Now what will we do? We will take, let sec x as t, differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of sec x is sec x 10x into dx by dt equals to derivative of t is 1 into dt by dt, that is 1. We have sec x tan x dx. Sec x tan x dx will be equals to dt. We have taken dt on the right hand side. Now, in place of this whole term, what we will write? Dt. Sec x की पावर n minus 1. Sec x was t. T की पावर n minus 1 dt. Now, what will be the integration? T की पावर n minus 1 plus 1 upon n minus 1 plus 1 plus c. We have t की पावर n upon n plus c. What was t? Sec x, sec nx upon n plus. This is our answer. Integration of e की पावर 10 log x plus e की पावर 8 log x upon e की पावर 8 log x plus e की पावर 6 log x. बच्चे, what is a log b? A log b can be written as log b की पावर 8. In the same way, we will write e की पावर 10 log x. We will write e की पावर log x की पावर 10 plus e की पावर log x की पावर 8 upon e की पावर log x की पावर 8 plus e की पावर log x की पावर 6 dx. Now, what is e की पावर log x? We can write e की पावर log x as x. If we have e की पावर log sin x, it equals to sin x. In the same way, what will we write? E की पावर log x की पावर 10 is x की पावर 10 plus e की पावर log x की पावर 8, x की पावर 8 upon x की पावर 8 plus x की पावर 6 dx. Now, what is common in the numerator? X की पावर 8. What is left? X square plus 1 upon what is common? X की पावर 6. X की पावर 2 plus 1 is left dx. Both the terms get cancelled. X की पावर 8 upon x की पावर 6. X की पावर 8 minus 6. X की पावर 2 dx. Now taking integration. X की पावर 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. Therefore, our answer will be 1 by 3 x cube plus c. Evaluate under root 1 minus sin 2x dx and the limit is given 0 to pi by 2. Bachche, we have an identity cos square x plus sin square x equals to 1. In place of this 1, what will we write? Cos square x plus sin square x minus sin 2x. We have another identity, sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x. In place of sin 2x, what will we write? 2 sin x cos x dx. Now, bachche, what is a square plus b square minus 2ab? A minus b whole square. What will we write? Cos square x plus sin square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Cos x minus sin x whole square dx. 0 to pi by 2. We have cos x minus sin x whole square and whole under root. Square will get cancelled. Cos x minus sin x dx. Now, what is the integration of cos x? Sin x. What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x, and minus get plus. And our limit is 0 to pi by 2. On putting limit, what will we get? Sin pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 minus sin 0 minus cos 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1 plus cos pi pi by 2 is 0. Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0 is our answer. Evaluate integration of x plus 3 upon x plus 4 whole square ex dx. In case you get ex, first check whether it is a question like this, e की power x fx plus f dash x dx. If a question is like this, then our answer will be e की power fx plus c. Let's check. We have the same question. We have x plus 3 in the numerator and x plus 4 in the denominator. What we will do? We will add and subtract 1 in numerator. X plus 3 plus 1 minus 1. We have added 1 and subtracted 1. Balanced upon x plus 4 whole square e की power x dx. We have x plus 4 minus 1 upon x plus 4 whole square dx. We have ex also. Dx. Now, what can we do? X plus 4 upon x plus 4 whole square. We have split the numerator. Minus 1 by x plus 4 whole square ex dx. What is left with us? X plus 4 power 1, x plus 4 power 2. What is left? 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x plus 4 whole square ex dx. Now बच्चे, if we take 1 upon x plus 4 as ex, if fx is 1 upon x plus 4, what is the derivative of 1 upon x plus 4? We can write it as x plus 4 की power minus 1. F dash x will be minus 1 x plus 4 की power minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 1 upon x plus 4 की power minus 2. That is minus 1 upon x plus 4 whole square. It means if it is fx, it is f dash x. We have reached the same point. Now, what will be our answer? E की power x fx, that is e की power x into 1 upon x plus 4 plus c. This is our answer. Find integration of x cube sin tan inverse x की power 4 upon 1 plus x की power 8 dx. What will we do? We will take this whole term as t. Let tan inverse x की power 4 equals to t. Differentiate with respect to t. What is the derivative of tan inverse x? Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now, what will be the derivative of tan inverse x की power 4? First, we will write d upon dt of tan inverse x की power 4 equals to d upon dt of t. Derivative of tan inverse x की power 4 will be 1 upon 1 plus x की power 8. Here we have x is power 2, x की power 4. Here we will take x की power 8 into d upon dt of x की power 4 equals to derivative of t is 1 into dt by dt 1. 1 upon 1 plus x की power 8 into derivative of x की power 4 is 4x cube into dx by dt equals to 1. Now we have x cube, we have 1 upon 1 plus x की power 8 dx we have. Only we don't have 4. Take it on the right hand side. X cube upon 1 plus x की power 8 dx equals to 1 by 4 dt. Now in place of this term and dx, what will we write? dt. Sin this term is t and we have 1 upon 4 left. Now what is the integration of sin t? Minus cos t minus 4 cos t plus c. What was t? cos t was tan inverse x की power 4 plus c, and this is our answer. Evaluate integration of sec square 7 minus x dx. Now बच्चे, we know the integration of sec square x, that is 10x, but we have term 7 minus x. What will we do? Let 7 minus x equals to t. Differentiate with respect to t. d upon dt of 7 minus x equals to d upon dt of t. What is derivative of 7? Derivative of constant is 0 minus derivative of x is 1 into dx by dt equals to derivative of t is 1 into dt by dt 1. Now we have dx equals to minus on the right hand side minus dt. In place of dx, what we will write? Minus outside dt. And 7 minus x is t. What is the integration of sec square t? Tan t plus c minus of tan t was 7 minus x plus c, and this is our answer. If integration of fx dx limit is minus a to a is 2 times fx dx limit is 0 to a, then fx is a dash function. In this case, fx will be a even function. You have learned it in your properties. In case minus a to a fx dx is equals to 0, we have two conditions. If our limit is minus a to a fx dx and the function is equals to 2 times integration of 0 to a fx, in that case our function will be even. And if our function is value of our function with limit minus a to a is 0, then fx is odd function.